Okay, I think I'm gonna harvest this plant. This is a medicinal plant. And kinakain to, guys. Look at this. This is pansit-pansitan. And ginagawa siyang salad. Look at that. Ang dami niya dito sa pot ko. So, I think lagi na yung tutubo dito. But what I'm going to do right now is to harvest this. And I'm gonna try to eat this. And mix it with the salted egg. So, ito na ngayon yung pansit-pansitan. Siyempre, hugasan natin yan, diba? Konti lang naman siya. So, siguro, ang best na gawin ko dito talaga is i-mix ko yan sa salted egg. I don't know if, I think I will just blanch. Iba-blanch ko na lang to. So, let's prepare. So, ito na lahat yon. Ito na lahat yung pansit-pansitan. Diba? I was able to make it like to a one bowl sa isang harvest. Okay. Okay, so since meron na akong itlog na maalat with, it's a salted egg with kamatis at sibuyas. And then I have pansit-pansitan right over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this, ito, dito. Just for an experiment. Tapos, meron na kasi akong suka, which I can use for my salad. Idedress ko siya. So, let's see. So, ito, lagyan ko rin siya ng asin. Diba? And then, lalagyan ko rin siya ng konting pepper, syempre. For some spices. Pampadagdag ba? Okay, tas imimix ko lang siya ng ganire. Like ganire. Mas marami ata yung leaves kumpara dun sa salted egg and ano. Pero I think it's fine. Salad nga eh. So, kinakain to ng mga Thailanders. So, I think it's a must try for me as well since healthy naman ito at nakakapagpababa raw to ng uric acid. Okay? So, let's give it a try.